Hi everyone, welcome back to Makeup Ki Dunya. And today episode is going to be different. Not just about brushes, not about techniques, but about truth. The ugly truth that often hide behind glam, gloss and gorgeous portfolios. तो कभी सोचा है, why do some of us smile on the outside but burn on the inside? Why does competition turns into comparison? And why is it so hard to just support one another? This episode is not for blaming, it's for healing, for the awareness, and for changing the air around us. Let's talk about jealousy, price wars, backbitching, and the lack of respect. That something doesn't come from outside the industry but from within. Section 1. Professional jealousy, the unspoken virus. Let's start with jealousy, that silent emotion that most won't admit it, but almost everyone feels. And that's okay. What's not okay is when it turns into hate, gossip, or silent sabotage. A makeup artist once shared she posted a reel showing her bride clothes, and instead of appreciation, she got silent unfollows, story mute, and whisper like, too showy, or it's all filters. Another artist told me, my friend used to cheer for my work until I got a celebrity client. Suddenly my work became overhyped in her eyes. Why are we so uncomfortable seeing someone shine? Why can't we just say, wow, she's doing great, instead of हाँ पर उसका मेकअप मुझे इतना पसंद नहीं? क्या किसी और की चमक देखकर हमारी रोशनी कम हो जाती है? No, so let's stop thinking like that. Let's remind ourselves the only competition we need is with our own past version. Section 2. Price cutting when we devalue ourselves. Let's talk about price cutting. One of the biggest reasons why our industry is showing losing their dignity. One artist shared, I quote 15,000 for a bridal look. The client said someone else offered it for 6,000. I felt crushed. Not because I lost the booking, but because someone didn't value the craft. And you know what? That 6,000 booking may give you quick cash in the moment, but in the long run, it's damage our brands and slowly weakens the entire makeup community. Because when we underprice just to win a client, we are not really winning. We are telling the world that our art, skill, and year of learning have no value worth. It's not just about price cutting, it's a value cutting. But I also want to say this clearly, this doesn't mean you should never adjust your price. There are moments when someone genuinely says, दीदी मेरा बजट नहीं है बट मुझे आपसे ही मेकअप करवाना है. And I have done that because that's not price cutting, that's compassion. जब किसी का सपना सिर्फ आपसे जुड़ा हो तो कभी कभी दाम से ज्यादा रिश्ते मायने रखते हैं. Section 3. Toxicity among us. Feed pe chura. Sometimes the most dangerous negativity doesn't come from strangers, it comes from people we once trusted. Artists who smile on video calls, plan collabs, and then message your clients with a lower rate behind your back. One artist told me, I trusted a senior, we worked together. A week later, she pitched my pride, saying she will fix what I couldn't. जो हाथ कभी सहारा लगते थे वो हाथ पीठ पे वार बन गए. It's hurt more than rejection. Another Mua said, I trained someone, gave her free shadowing opportunity. Next time I know she's selling my techniques on her paid course without even mentioning me. Let's stop pretending this doesn't happen. It does. Section 4. Disrespect, not competition. It's not always jealousy or rage. Sometimes it's just pure disrespect. Clients not showing up after trials. Other artists bad-mouthing you to vendors. Seniors laughing at junior techniques. Juniors mocking seniors for being outdated. Where is the basic respect? We don't have to agree with someone's style, but we must honor their journey. Another experience, a senior Mua once told me, you do Gen Z's makeup, it won't last, but her client come to me later and rebooked. We are not each other's obstacles, we are each other possibilities. We are not fighting a war, we are creating beauty. So let's stop turning it into battlefield. जब मेकअप से चेहरा सुंदर बनता है तो उतना दिल को तो सुंदर रखो. Section 5. Let's build, not break. Let me ask you honestly. Have you ever complimented another artist publicly? Have you reshared someone else's work without envy? Have you mentioned someone instead of mocking them? If yes, you are already changing the game. And if not, it's not too late. Once more shared, when I promised a junior artist work on my story, I lost 10 followers. But I gained peace. And I gained her respect. जब तक हम एक दूसरे को उठाएंगे नहीं, तब तक हम कभी भी ऊपर नहीं उठ पाएंगे. The real glow up is when we grow together. Kindness costs nothing, but in return, everything. Section 6. Your voice, my voice, our change. This episode isn't rant, it is a reminder then that if even 10 of us promise to support, not sabotage this industry, can become safe, beautiful and respected again. Let's stop normalizing jealousy. Let's stop romanticizing hate. Let's stop calling sabotage strategy. If you have ever felt hurt, unseen and pulled down, I see you, I believe you and I am with you. If you have been a kind of secret, let me know. Your goodness deserves recognition. Let me the one who don't just blend makeup but blend healing into the industry. Closing message. Unmasking ourselves. Let's remove the mask of fear, of fake smiles, of silent competition. Let's speak, support, uplift and respect. The real highlighter is kindness. The real contour is courage. And the real setting spray is integrity. Let this be the episode we don't just listen to, but live by. This is not just my voice, let this be your voice. Let be this our voice. Share this episode, talk about it your salon, your DMs, your group chats. Let this message echo in every district, every city and every zone. Let this wave of awareness reach every corner of our industry. I am Renu Goswami and this was episode 8 of Makeup Ki Duniya. See you next time, stronger, brighter and kinder.